Good morning, Liam.
Good morning, Emma.
How is your morning so far?
It feels calm and organized.
That sounds nice today.
Yes, today feels smooth.
Did you arrive on time?
Yes, I arrived early today.
The office feels quiet now.
Yes, it feels peaceful.
Most desks look empty still.
People arrive slowly today.
I enjoy quiet mornings here.
Me too. They help focus.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, coffee sounds good.
I pour 1 cup.
Thank you, Emma.
The coffee smells fresh.
Yes, it smells great.
Did you sleep well?
I sleep fine last night.
That is good to hear.
I feel rested today.
We have tasks today.
Yes, I check my list.
What do you start first?
I start emails first.
Emails come first usually.
Yes, they set the tone.
My inbox looks full.
Mine looks full too.
We handle them calmly.
Yes, one by one.
The meeting is later.
Yes, after lunchtime.
We prepare notes before that.
Yes, preparation helps.
I open my laptop now.
I open mine too.
The system loads slowly.
Yes, it takes time.
Technology tests patience sometimes.
That is very true.
I review yesterday's file.
I check today's schedule.
Any urgent task today?
Nothing urgent right now.
That feels good.
Yes, it feels manageable.
The office lights feel bright.
Yes, they wake me up.
Morning light helps focus.
I feel more alert.
I reply to emails now.
I draft a short report.
Let me know if needed.
I will, thank you.
The keyboard sounds steady.
Yes, typing fills the room.
More coworkers arrive now.
Yes, the office wakes up.
Good energy today.
I feel that too.
I finished 2 emails.
I finish one page.
Good progress already.
Yes, it feels good.
Small wins matter.
They keep motivation high.
We continue working steadily.
Yes, steady pace helps.
We review work before lunch.
That sounds like a plan.
Let us stay focused.
Yes, we do our best.
I check the next email.
I review the numbers now.
This message needs a reply.
These numbers look correct.
I write a short response.
I double check once more.
Clear words save time.
Yes, clarity matters.
The office feels busier now.
Yes, more voices around.
Still feels organized here.
Yes, work flows well.
I save this document.
I update the sheet.
Do you need help now?
Not now, thank you.
All right, just asking.
I appreciate that.
The coffee keeps me alert.
Yes, coffee helps today.
I check the calendar.
The meeting stays same.
We still have time before lunch.
Yes, enough time.
I finish another task.
I complete this section.
Good pace today.
I feel productive.
The phone rings often now.
Yes, calls increase late morning.
I answer 1 call.
I keep working meanwhile.
The call stays short.
That helps workflow.
Short calls save energy.
Yes, very true.
I note 1 request.
I add a small update.
Time moves steadily now.
Yes, not too fast.
How do you feel now?
I feel comfortable working.
That is good to hear.
Thanks for asking.
I clean my desk.
I organize files too.
A clean desk helps.
Yes, it clears the mind.
I finish this report soon.
I review my notes.
We check progress before lunch.
Yes, quick review helps.
I skim the report.
I listen carefully.
Everything looks fine.
That is good news.
Nice teamwork today.
Yes, teamwork feels smooth.
Lunch break comes soon.
Yes, almost time.
We wrap tasks slowly.
I finish last detail.
I save all files.
I do the same.
Ready for lunch break.
Yes, ready now.
Lunch break feels refreshing.
Yes, I feel recharged.
Did you enjoy lunch?
Yes, it feels satisfying.
Afternoon feels slower sometimes.
Yes, pace changes a bit.
We return to our desks.
I review pending tasks.
The office feels quieter now.
Yes, calmer after lunch.
I answer 1 message.
I update the timeline.
Let me know if needed.
Sure, thank you.
My focus returns slowly.
Mine too, step by step.
I open the meeting file.
I prepare my notes.
The meeting starts soon.
Yes, in some minutes.
We stay prepared.
Yes, we are ready.
I check the room setup.
Chairs look arranged well.
Everything seems in place.
Yes, no issues.
The meeting begins now.
I listen carefully.
The points stay clear.
Yes, points feel simple.
I share one update.
I nod in agreement.
The meeting ends smoothly.
Yes, it goes well.
We return to desks again.
Yes, back to tasks.
I note action points.
I follow the plan.
Good teamwork there.
Yes, nice collaboration.
I complete one task.
I finish another.
Afternoon light feels soft.
Yes, it feels gentle.
Time moves quietly now.
Yes, very calm.
I review final emails.
I clear my inbox.
We prepare for wrap-up soon.
Yes, almost done.
I organize tomorrow's list.
I plan tasks ahead.
That helps mornings.
Yes, very helpful.
I save all work.
Everything is saved.
The day feels productive today.
Yes, a good day.
We slow down now.
Yes, wrapping up.
The afternoon feels complete now.
Yes, work feels finished.
I check the clock quietly.
Time looks good.
The office grows quieter again.
Yes, people pack slowly.
I close my laptop now.
I shut mine too.
I clean my desk again.
I clear my workspace.
Everything looks neat.
Yes, very neat.
I review tomorrow's notes.
I glance at mine.
Tomorrow looks manageable.
Yes, nothing heavy.
That feels reassuring.
I feel the same.
I send one last email.
I log my work.
The system responds quickly.
Yes, no delays.
Good progress today.
Yes, solid effort.
Thanks for the teamwork.
Thank you as well.
It makes days easier.
Yes, teamwork helps.
I gather my bag now.
I grab mine too.
The hallway stays quiet.
Yes, calm atmosphere.
Evening light enters softly.
Yes, it looks nice.
Any plans after work?
Just rest at home.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, very peaceful.
I head toward the exit.
I walk that way too.
Today goes smoothly.
Yes, smooth day.
See you tomorrow morning.
Yes, see you then.
Have a good evening.
You too, Emma.
Take care tonight.
You take care too.
Goodbye, Liam.
Goodbye, Emma.